Hello, friends. See, there are lots of toy cars. There are cars for heavy equipment, such as excavators. There are motorbikes and so on. Let's keep watching the video. Look, there's a lot, right? Wow! Look, this car is an excavator. It's yellow, and the color is very bright.
Wow!
Wow, this one is also yellow, and this is a wheel excavator.
Woo!
And next, there's the Tayo bus.
Biasanya kan, Lani? Tentu saja.
Yang penting jangan sombong, Lani.
Oke.
Lani ingin mendapat nilai ujian tertinggi untuk membuat Cito senang.
And finally, here's an excavator.
Woo!
Does anyone know the name of this vehicle? Yep, that's right. This is a wheel excavator loader car. The function, which is to lift heavy
Wow.
equipment. Look, there are so many toys. Wow. There are different types of cars, such as buses, motorcycles, and others. This is a Moln car, which is usually used for road repair or something else. Look, kids, this sand truck is purple. It has Tayo's car on it, kids.
Woo!
Look, children, on top of the truck, there are many animals, such as elephants, horses, sheep, buffalo. Look, there are many cars here. There are Tayo cars, excavator cars, fire trucks, and the last one is the Moln car. Look, Tayo's car is about to take the plunge. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Look at the swimming Tayo car.
Wow.
Now it's time for the freight car. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow, the car carrying the goods also swam. Next, an excavator car. 1, 2, 3. Wow, the excavator car is also swimming. Wow, look at all the cars swimming. Look, kids, all the cars are lined up neatly. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and last, 6. So there are 6 cars in all. Wow, look. There is a Tayo car. There is an excavator car. Freight car. Moln car. And the last one is a fire truck. Let's count again together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and last, 6. So there are 6 cars in all. Wah, look at the moan car playing wet children. On the right and left side, there is an excavator car. And on top of it, there are also elephants and horses.
Wow.
And on the right side, there are buffaloes and sheep. Wah, look at the children. On top of that, there are Tayo cars and others.
Wow. Wow.
Come on, kids. What other video requests do you have? Please comment below.